So now it's recording. So Hugo's first spoon rice cereal. Can you open up?
There you go.
What do you think?
And you might have to dump it in your
Yeah.
his mouth a little bit. But don't give him a lot of
Can you open up? Open up.
Let me go on this side. Mmm.
What do you think?
Oh, spin up.
Alright.
Yeah, it's going to be messy for a while, but he'll soon learn
Try
that
a little bit more.
a spoon means food.
There, swallow it. Close your mouth and swallow it.
This don't taste like anything I've ever had before.
Alright, that's good.
How do I do?
Just press it again.